Well, hey friends, just got an update for my GM Bright Drop 2025 and wanted to see what's new. This is, hold on, let me exit out of here. I already forgot the number of the update. Apparently this is an update that other GM EV owners got a while ago for like the Hummer and the Silverado and I think the Equinox. But I just got it for the Bright Drop, so it is this one, GM 653.30. Says some stuff about improving the rear camera view, display responsiveness, which I always thought was good to begin with. Performance of climate control, the Ultium heat pump has already been good. I wonder what they improved. And additional improvements and fixes. Now, so it doesn't tell you much, right, about what's actually in this update. But something I heard is that it's unlocking a bunch of things in the Google Play Store and maybe the Apple CarPlay as well. But I don't have an Apple. I'm a Android guy. So let's take a look at the Play Store and pastime while parked. I don't think you can focus. Pastime while parked. This is new. So these are all. Well, I think I had Chrome before, but I didn't have video players before. Amazon Prime and Tubi and Peacock and Crunchyroll. Oh, that's my kids love Crunchyroll. Attack on Titan, baby. I'm assuming you can only use these while the van is parked and probably not while driving. And video games, oh yeah, lots of video games. Chrome Beta, what's the difference between Chrome Beta and regular Chrome? Who knows? Talking Tom, anybody remember that guy? Solitaire, a car fireplace, what? Yeah! Yeah! My van, my electric van has a fireplace with sound. I don't know if you guys can hear this, let me turn it up. A fireplace with sound.